Now we're gonna get all of our parts ready. So wheels first. I'm going to open up the cardboard. I'm just gonna tear it open. Okay. So we need 4 wheels. So I'm gonna use my cup and my pencil and draw 4 circles. And I'm going to cut the circles out. So remember that you can pause this video whenever you need to get your materials ready. I have a lot of practice at cutting, so I'm pretty fast. But you might take a little bit longer, and that's okay. So just pause the video. There's one. And you might need to get help from an adult to help you with cutting, and that's okay too. And that one didn't, I can trim that one. That one wasn't quite as round. So after we get the wheels cut out, we're gonna bend the cardboard just a little bit so that I can snip the middle so that it's a little easier to get the pencil through the cardboard. So we're gonna do that part next. One more. Last one. Okay. So I'm just gonna bend it, bend it, bend it, and put a little snip in the middle. Just a little one. Okay, little snip. Just so it's easier to get that pencil through. Just a little snip. So I'm folding it in half, just a little tiny little snip so that it's a little easier to get the pencil to go through when I'm ready for that part. Okay, so the wheels. So the pencils are going to be the axles, but we have to have something for the axle to go through that connects to the body of the car. So I used a piece of notebook paper. So we're going to fold it in half, and we're going to crease it. And then we're going to fold it the other direction so we get a nice strong crease. Okay. And then you can always stop the video and get help if you need help. Creasing, folding, and then I'm just gonna tear it apart. So we have 2 notebook paper halves. And then we're gonna roll them, take the pencil, and we're gonna roll the paper around the pencil. Okay. Then we're tapping to get the edges. See, there's a hole. We're tapping to get the edges straight. And then I'm going to tape the edges. Okay, one. We need two of them though. Other one, wrapping that paper around the pencil, rolling it, rolling. And look, see, it's kind of messy. It doesn't matter. Just tap it down so that the edges line up. And then we're going to tape the edges. Go. So we have two of those. So our pencils will fit inside and our wheels will go on the end of each one. Okay, so what else? Excuse me, we need the balloon power part of it. So I have a balloon. So I want to show you. I'll blow it out. You might want to stretch it a little bit so it blows up easier. So when I put the air inside the balloon and I'm holding it shut, this is potential energy. When I let go of the balloon and the air pushes out, that's kinetic energy. Okay. So now we're going to connect the balloon to the straw. We're going to make it tight because we don't want the air to come out with the rubber band. And this might be a place where you need to get some help from an adult or an older brother or sister. So remember, you can stop the video. So I'm just turning it, twisting it, and wrapping it, the rubber band around the balloon. One more time. Okay. All right, and then I'm going to try to make sure that it works so I can blow it up before we mount it onto the car. Okay. So now the air is going to blow out of the straw, and when it's attached to the car body, then it's going to cause it to move, kind of a jet propulsion. Okay, it works. It stays on. That's what we want, and I'm able to blow it up. Okay, so I think we have everything that we need to assemble our car. So that will be part 3.